Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you how to create product bundles in Shopify, step by step. If you're looking to increase your store's average order value or make shopping more convenient for your customers, bundling is a fantastic strategy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build your own custom bundles using Shopify's built-in app, helping you boost sales and create an even better experience for your shoppers. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the control center for your store, the place where you manage products, track orders, and customize just about everything. If you're not already logged in, open up Shopify and sign into your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the admin page if you haven't spent much time here. It's worth getting comfortable with, since most store changes happen in this space. Next, you'll want to select Apps from the left-hand menu. Shopify organizes all add-ons and extensions here, so if you've never browsed the app section before, don't worry, it's easy to navigate. In the Apps area, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into it and type Bundles. This narrows down your options and brings up the official Shopify Bundles app, which is the tool we'll be using today. Go ahead and install Shopify Bundles. Don't be afraid of the install process. It's quick, straightforward, and doesn't require any technical knowledge. Just click Install and approve any permissions it asks for. Sometimes the first installation can take a minute or two, so if the spinner is whirring, grab a sip of coffee or tea and let Shopify do its thing. Once installed, the app will give you the option to create bundles right away. You'll notice a Create Bundle button. Go ahead and give that a click. The interface is pretty intuitive, so you're not going to get lost here. Now, let's select the products you want to bundle together. Think about what makes sense for your store. Maybe you have a shampoo and conditioner that work well as a set, or different flavors of snacks that customers often buy together. Selecting products for a bundle isn't just about convenience. It's about creating a package that delivers extra value and entices buyers. On this screen, just browse or search for the items you want and add them to your bundle list. If you ever change your mind, you can remove or swap items later, so don't stress about getting it perfect the first time. Next up, it's time to name your bundle. This is where you get to be a little creative. Your bundle's name should be clear, catchy, and informative. For example, Summer Skincare Set or Breakfast Essentials Pack. If you're not quite sure what to call it, don't worry. Shopify gives you a Generate Text function in the draft. This little helper can suggest names and even descriptions for you, which is perfect if you're feeling stuck or just want to speed things up. Once your bundle has a name, you'll want to add a high-quality image. Think of this as your bundle's storefront. Customers shop with their eyes first. You can upload a photo that shows all the products together, or even create a collage. If you don't have a graphic ready, a simple shot of the items side by side works wonders. Images help shoppers visualize what they're getting and can make your bundle much more appealing. Finally, take a moment to review all your changes. Make sure the products are right, the name feels good, and the image is clear. When you're satisfied, just hit Save. That's it. You've created a custom product bundle ready to sell on your Shopify store. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I love hearing from you and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Good luck building your bundles, and I'll see you next time.